Soft launching is a trending Gen Z practice where a new romantic relationship is gradually hinted at on social media, often through partial photos and vague captions before an official, explicit, hard launch reveal. Adopted from a business marketing strategy, this method is favored because it helps build intrigue, maintain privacy from immediate scrutiny, and allows couples to gauge their social circle's reaction while the relationship is still in its fragile early stages. Effective soft launching techniques include posting images where only part of the partner is visible, using mysterious captions like, "Guess who?" utilizing temporary social media stories for live action glimpses, and strategically engaging with one another's post through likes and flirty comments. This approach offers a gentle rollout, allowing friends and followers to adjust to the idea of the new partner gradually.